let me show you two methods to delete Android application from your Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. First method, by using setting application. For that, simply click on app launcher icon, look for setting application and open it. Here click on apps tab. Here simply click on manage your apps option, and here you will find all the Android apps which are installed on your Chromebook. Now to delete it from your Chromebook, simply select the application. Here you will find uninstall button, click on this uninstall button. And here you will find a confirmation window, simply click on uninstall button to confirm the action. And it will delete the application from your Chromebook. Now let me show you another method, that is using Google Play Store. For that, open Google Play Store, click on your profile icon. Here click on manage apps and device, click on manage tab, and here you will find all the Android applications that are installed on your Chromebook. Now to uninstall it, simply select the application that you want to remove, then click on this uninstall button. Here you will find a confirmation window, simply click on uninstall and it will remove the application from your Chromebook. So that's it. These are the two quick methods by which you can delete Android application from your Chromebook. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.